I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, First Day by Anna. So today I'm gonna be making a smoothie, and it is called beetroot smoothie. So the reason why I'm making this is because I am currently pregnant and my PVC is very low. Actually, I'm taking a routine supplement. I'm taking my iron every day. I don't miss any dose, but still my PVC is not going up at all. So that is why I started taking this beetroot, and since I started taking it, my PVC has started leveling up. So for all the pregnant women out there whose PVC is dropping, and if you have taken so many supplements and all of that, you've eaten different kind of things to boost your PVC, and it's not just working, so you can just try this beetroot. It's really amazing. You can Google search all the benefits of beetroot. So the taste of beetroot it's funny, okay? It's funny, but if you can handle the taste, you can actually blend or eat the beetroot raw like that. But because of the taste, I can't eat it without adding a sweetener, natural sweetener, something to just change that taste. So that is why I added some pineapple, just to give it a little bit of sweetness. Okay, so here it is. So the beetroot is much more than the pineapple. Pineapple is very sweet. You can also add banana, you can add apple, you can add mango, depending on your choice, but pineapple is okay for me. So once you get your beetroot, you want to wash it clean, then dice it into your preferred size and then freeze it. That is what I do. I freeze it up, and anytime I'm ready to have this drink, I'll just go into my freezer, bring it out and take the amount that I want and then blend it, turn it into smoothie. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So once you get your beetroot and your pineapple, make sure you refrigerate it for some time, let it be cool, then blend it up. It's very easy, it's not hard.
And I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget, my heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed?